Do you want to know how you can explore the job opportunities in Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search for job opportunities and make your career using Elsa Speak. So, what you need to do is go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and go to elsaspeak.com. Now, scroll down until the very end where you can find careers option underneath the company. So click on careers and it will take you to this page where you can see that you can click view open positions and apply for your career with Elsa Speak. So go ahead and click view open positions and it will display some of the positions which are open and you might get the job after you apply it. So you can see that there's option of location. You can click remote and only remote jobs will appear on your screen. If you click on all locations, all of the locations will come on. There's a department section, so you can choose this and you can see the job type as well, so you can choose the type of job you want to apply for. And if you want to apply for this post, click more details and it will lead you to this option where you can choose what you want to do after presenting your CV and all of your personal information. You can see that there's attached resume over here, so go ahead and attach your CV or resume, and after filling in your personal information, click submit application. This way you can get some career options and you can start job opportunities using Elsa Speak. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.